Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get an email address for business in 2 minutes. So let's start. If you wanna get an email address for business or professional and not use @gmail.com, instead of this you can just input your company name or contact your company name, and you will look more professional because it's really important for you. On EasyMails you can get this email address. Just go to the principal page, scroll down, and you will find here the packages. We have 4 different packages: basic website, standard website, and premium website. We use this one that is mailer. This is $2.99 per month, and we offer you the discount for 80% off from this price. If you only click to the link below, you will get it. And also we give you the 30-day money back guarantee. It means if you don't like service, you don't like how it works, we return the money to you, and that's an excellent offer. So now guys, just click on order, and we have here the benefits that offer you: 3 mailboxes, 1 to cancellation, as I told you, the 30-day money back guarantee. And also guys, if you want to get your business email easily, you can get in 2 minutes or less. And only that, if you need help with something else, we give you the support 24 hours and easy and quickly. Now just click here on order now, and you will get here the payment methods here, and also here on add promotion code, just write your promotion code, that is how to, just apply it, and you will see here the 80% off from the price, as you see. Now just write your email address and also the company email, card information, your card information, month and year, and CVC, and your cardholder name, as well as your country region. You can select whatever region you prefer, and then if you want to save information, just select. If you don't want to save, no select, and subscribe. And that guys, you will get your business email easily. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, and don't forget to give a thumb up to this video.